Samsung will finally be launched the most awaited Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 foldable phones later this month on July 26 to be precise. And prior to this, we have some information on the new foldables pricing, and it might not bring a sigh of relief. Here's why. A report by the French website Delebs hints at a price hike for both the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5. This can prove to be a disappointment for fans, especially when a previous report hinted at a price decrease from the foldables. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, there's no mention of a 128GB model. Either that detail didn't leak or Samsung will move the base up to 256GB. As for the 256GB model, it is facing a modest price hike of €30 and will cost €1,200. The 512GB one will be €50 more. This is not nearly as bad as the earlier leak, which priced the 128GB model at €1,300. Moving on, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This one will be hit by a more serious increase in price. The base model with 256GB storage will go up by €100, the 512GB and 1TB models by €120. This means that locals will have to pay €1,900 at the low end. Well, not really. Samsung's launch deals and trade-in offers will bring the effective price down. Still, if you were hoping that foldable tech will be getting cheaper, that isn't happening this generation. Note that these prices are for France. Other European countries will see slightly different price tags due to differences VAT. Here are the launch prices for the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 prices for the US and the UK, and their prices for India. It remains to be seen if the new Samsung foldable phones end up being even more expensive or end up being accessible. In addition, the 2023 Samsung foldable phone specs and designs have also leaked. It is tipped that both phones will look like their predecessors but come with some changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is slated to have an improved hinge with little to no gap when folded, and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will most likely come with a big 3.4-inch outer display, much like the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. As for the specs, the Z Fold 5 is expected to have a 7.6-inch AMOLED primary screen and a 6.2-inch secondary display, along with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, a 4,400 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, 50-megapixel rear cameras, Android 13-based One UI 5.1, and more. The Z Flip 5 could also be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and include a 6.7-inch main screen, 12-megapixel cameras, a 3,700 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, and more. Both are likely to get an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Since the July Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event is just around the corner, it would be best to wait and see what happens. The Galaxy Tab S9 series, the Galaxy Watch 6 series, and a new pair of Galaxy Buds are also expected to tag along. We will properly let you know about the launch, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.